Hi, boys and girls. This week we're doing a review of our short vowel words. So today for our paper, we're going to do vowels and color the vowels red on our spelling words. So to do that, first we need to write our spelling words. So they're all going to be a mix of short vowel words. So let's do the first one. Let's do a short A word. So let's make it a little bit harder though. We're going to start with some blends next week, so we'll just start that now and kind of get a head start on our work. So let's do flat. Tell me the sounds in flat. Now let's write it. F-L-A-T. Very good. Now let's do a short E word. Let's do get. G-E-T. G-E-T. Good. Now short I. For short I, let's do the word drip. D-R-I. D-R-I. Good. Now let's do a short O word because that's our next vowel. Let's do hop. Op. Op. Good. And for a short U, let's do the word up. 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 All right. Now we're going to go back to short A. Let's do the word ran. A. Short E, let's do men. For short I, let's do lip. For short O, let's see if we can think of a little bit harder one for short O. How about the word plop? And for our short U word, let's do bus. Now, get your red crayon, and I want you to find all of the short vowels. Remember, they follow the closed syllable pattern, so it has vowel and then a consonant, just one. So these are all of our vowels. And when you're finished with that, make sure your name is at the top and turn it into the basket, then start on Lexia.